Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Basecamp to manage your tasks, projects, and team communication all in one place, whether you are freelancing, managing a remote team, or organizing classwork. This tool can make life a lot easier. Basecamp is a simple yet powerful project management tool. It brings together tasks, lists, chat, file sharing, calendars, and more in one clean interface. It's great for keeping everything organized without the overwhelm of tools like Asana or Trello. Go to basecamp.com and click on sign up for free button. Enter your name and organization name, then enter your email address and then click last step, set a password, set a strong password like that, then create my password. Once you are in, click create a project. Name your project like website redesign. Add team member. Click add some people, then add people. Each project includes these core tools by default: message board, to-dos, docs, and file. Message board for posting updates or announcements. Everyone in the project sees it. Think of it like long-form communication. To-dos: create tasks, assign to team members, add due dates, organize with lists like design development, marketing. Docs and files: upload files, images, PDFs. Organize docs, meeting notes, plans. Campfire, real-time group chat, great for quick check-ins or questions. Schedule: shared calendar for deadlines and milestones. Let's dive deeper into the to-do lists. Click to-dos, create a new list. Like launch, name this list like launch checklist. Add tasks with descriptions, due dates, assign to yourself or teammates, mark them complete with one click. Use the message board for updates that need visibility. Everyone gets notified and can comment. Campfire is for fast conversations like Slack but simpler. And under docs and file, you can organize everything from PDFs to design mockups. Then click on my stuff. At the top to see your personal tasks, bookmarks, schedule, drafts, etc. Assignments, all tasks assigned to you, schedule, deadlines across all projects. Basecamp also lets you control notifications so you are not bombarded all day. A few quick tips to warm up: keep one project per client or team goal. Use @mentions in comments to notify people. Set daily check-ins using automatic check-ins. Keep things clean. And that's how to use Basecamp like a pro in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more productivity guides, and comment what tool you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.